Hi everyone. This video will guide you on preventing Windows 11 from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Windows 11 comes with specific features that allow you to connect to a Wi-Fi network automatically. If you need, you can stop this behavior so that your Windows will not connect automatically to specific Wi-Fi networks. In this Gear Up Windows article, we will guide you with complete steps to prevent Windows 11 from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network that was previously connected. Once you configure the particular Wi-Fi network not to connect automatically, Windows will still remember your Wi-Fi password, but it will not connect automatically when your computer is in range. Your PC will be connected to that Wi-Fi network only when you manually initiate it. This feature is handy if you previously connected to a public Wi-Fi network but don't want to reconnect automatically next time when in range. How to prevent Windows 11 from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network. To prevent your Windows 11 machine from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network, first, disconnect the particular Wi-Fi network if you're already connected to it. To do that, click on the Quick Settings area on the taskbar. Then, click on the right-facing arrow. Select the Wi-Fi you're connected to. Then, click the Disconnect button. After disconnecting the Wi-Fi, uncheck the checkbox beside Connect Automatically. That's it. If you want to connect to that Wi-Fi network again, select and click the Connect button. Goodbye. See you in the next video.